I know I can, because I have.
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 I can. I can. I can.
I like to be a biologist because when extracting the DNA out of a strawberry, it felt like extracting real DNA out of a person. The coolest thing I liked about this experiment was the DNA looked just like slime.
I like being a chemist because I like making crystals. I like the pretty colors it changed into, and because the more salt you put on it, the bigger it got.
I like being a biologist because we extracted DNA, and it was intriguing to me because when we broke down the strawberry's barrier, the cell barrier to get into the DNA, it actually intrigued me because I'd never seen something so small, so molecular, in that size.
I like being a chemist. The favorite thing about being a chemist is doing interesting experiments. I like to do this favorite experiment that I did over this program. My favorite experiment was the crystal garden.
I like being a biologist because it showed me two different ways of how DNA can look like.
My favorite part about this program was being a chemist when we isolated sodium acetate, when we made hot ice, and it felt really hot.
Oh, I would like to be a chemist in the future because when we did the hot ice experiment, it intrigued me the most. In this experiment, we put crystallized sodium acetate out of a supersaturated solution into a jar. And then by using the solution, then we put a pencil inside the solution, and then because of that, crystals started to rapidly form on the surface of the pencil. They continued to form until the jar was completely full. But what was most interesting about this experiment is how it got very hot because of that experiment that we did. So I think that's why I would like to be a chemist in the future, because of all the different interesting things that we do.
Science is fun!